In this YT marketing review, I'll go through the features of this training, the benefits, and I'll actually show you my own progress through this training. Because I actually purchased this training during the early release phase, and I've had some pretty good results. If you click on the link below, you'll go to my YT marketing review page on my site. And if you scroll all the way down to the bottom, you'll see my bonuses. These are special bonuses I've created just for people to buy via my link, so you won't get these anywhere else. So the first one, I'll send you 1,000 views to either one or two of your YouTube videos, only for the first 5 respondents. So that can help you launching with some free watch time and some free views. The second bonus is my own guide on how to get traffic to YouTube videos. The third bonus is how to get instant traffic to your videos. The fourth bonus is how to set up your channel and video with some SEO basics. The fifth bonus is a YouTube authority video course, and the final bonus is a YouTube channel SEO video course. And what is YT Marketer? YT Marketer is an amazingly well-made training which goes through all of the steps from picking a niche, creating your channel, setting up your channel properly so you get so it looks good for YouTube, and how to create the videos so you can either make them in-house and do it all organically, or they also train how to outsource it, so how to get a third party to create the content and you can just set it all up. Now, I've been in the organic route and I've had so far 3 channels fully monetized. I've got some of my screenshots here where one of them has got a CPM, so it's cost per 1,000 views at $150, which is very high. So in the training, Chris tells you which niches pay the most commissions and get the most CPM. And this is one of those niches, and as you can see here, it's 150. One of my other channels, let me pull up a quick image. Just try to get across, give me a second. Okay, so that's this one. Oops, wrong, let me open it in Photos. Sorry, I should prepare this. Open with Photos, okay. Another one is getting $126. That was December. That just became monetized in December, so just a couple of weeks ago. Another one's on $133. And yeah, this is just proof that it was monetized via this training. And also, as a bonus of this training, you also learn how to rank videos. So this was a product paying about $500 in commissions, and you can see all the ranking number ones there for review, for discount, and for tutorial, and so on. So in this training, you also learn how to rank your videos, so you can make income from the YouTube Partner Program, but also via affiliate commissions. So if you read my review, I talk about does it work? Yes, it does. I had one channel monetized in 2 weeks, another 2 in a month. But now if I worked on it full time, I could have got all of them done within days, because in the actual group itself, the upgrade, the OTO upgrade, is the YT Marketer Facebook group. Just to give you a quick preview. I'm not going to show you the discussion, but these are some of the results. And all of these are the other subscribers, other members who have had their channels monetized and so on. So I won't show you too much, but they're all giving their results, and some of them got channels up and going and fully monetized within a couple of days. So I know from experience and people within the group that the process works. It's not just another fake training. It completely works. I know myself, I've got 3 channels. I've got 2 more channels that I'm working on for probably for the end of the month. And those, I'm going to outsource the videos. I'm going to take the training, go through it all, and also, yeah, just outsource those so I don't have too much of a workload working on 5 channels. But it's perfectly feasible to work on those channels. You can make 1 or 2 videos a week, but anyway, that's for the training. Now the pricing right now as of the launch of this video, and the launch week is $997. But in a week it's going to go up to $1497. Even that is undervaluing the course, because if you can have a couple of channels fully monetized, you can make this money back within a month. If you get affiliate commissions and you get your YouTube money, you can make this money back in a month. Now there is one upsell, and that is for the private Facebook group where Chris goes through more testing, more tactics, and he actually released one recently. I won't go into detail, but anyway, he went through a lot of stuff. and that is $47 per month. Think of that as an ongoing investment, because you're paying for the advice and the techniques and stuff from other members as well, but also Chris is going through all of the detailed stuff that he's been trying that really works. Let me see. Let me show you the actual sales page now. This is the sales page. See, it's not open yet. It's going to open at the launch of this video with 4th of January. So these are some more proofs here. So brand new channel monetized 14 days, 17 days, 16 days, 9 days. These are the early ones. These are some more proofs from the group. Well, I forgot to mention there's 2 full case study videos, so end-to-end creation from the inception to the video uploading and the whole process. Chris shows you how he made 2 completely different channels in 2 completely different niches. Got them both monetized in just less than 30 days. So these are some more results from the group. I didn't get my one in time, otherwise I would have been there too. Okay, CPM. So CPM is cost per milli, so it's cost per 1,000, and what advertisers are paying for every 1,000 views. So as you can see, up to 155 CPM on this channel. If you remember my screenshot from earlier, my own channel after launch, I had a CPM of 150, so that's what I was telling you, it's very high CPM. And in the training, Chris tells you what niches to target. The second part of the training, as I mentioned, is how to boost your video rankings. So to make sure that your videos get to the top of the search result. And as you saw from my result, from my screenshot, that works as well. So yeah, it also does case study inside the training for that. So up here, Chris shows you how you got from position 32 to number 1 in 20 minutes. Okay, this is more about Chris. He's one of the few marketers that I have full faith in, because I know from purchasing most of his courses that they all work. And he puts a lot of time and effort into them, make sure he presents it well, and he gives all the information he can. And with the sign up of the Facebook membership, he gives even more information that he doesn't share in other groups. So that's good to have. He goes through his product portfolio. We know they're all good quality. Inside the course, his FAQs. Okay. I think I'm mistaken. It's not $47 a month, $37 a month for the group. I'll change that on my review page. I forgot to mention that also one of the features of the group is that you get into monthly competitions. So if you hit a certain milestone and you submit your proof into the thread that you create inside the group, then you get entered into a competition. Now, I actually won the first competition, and Chris kindly sent me the £50, about $65 Amazon gift card. So that was really nice. And the second competition winner, I forgot what they won. But anyway, there's a monthly competition where if you hit your certain milestones, you give your proof, and you get a nice gift. So that's also an incentive, so to get you active, to get you working hard, and pushing you to not just sit on the course once you pay, to actually work. And that's good. It's a really good Facebook group. They give a lot of information there. Okay. And one thing I should mention is that once you sign up for the course, I recommend you go through all the training step by step. As you see here, we'll have to spend money on anything else. Now, as with anything, you can't just sit on training. You have to actually invest in yourself. This is a business. It's not just a YouTube entertainment channel. It's a business. It's going to make you money. It's not just there for fun. And if you want to make money, you have to spend money. Now, what Chris said is that you can spend as little as $5 or as much as $50, depending on how fast you want your channel to grow. Now, I would aim to budget for between $40 and $60 to get going, and all of it's covered in the training. But you will need to spend a little bit of money if you want to get fast results. If you want to go slowly, take several months, that's fine. You can follow the training and go slowly, it's no problem. But you always want to recoup your investment quickly. Let me go through the training section now. So I'm not going to click on the actual individual topics, it will give away too much. I'll just give you an overview. Now, Chris just added this. During the first quarter of 2022, he'll be adding a new section to the course covering affiliate marketing with YouTube. So like I said, this is not just a one-off training course, it's an ongoing course, and it'll be updated and you'll have it for lifetime. That's great news. Okay, so this is the main monetization training. Now what he highly emphasizes is every video has got information that is required to succeed, to actually get your channel going. So what he does is he breaks all that into easy to follow videos. It's all complete over the shoulder training. So you can see all the main topics here. So YouTube channel setup, customizing your channel, creating the videos, outsourcing videos, uploading videos, how to get watch time, subscribers, creating a second channel, updates, getting approved, and this is a part of the case study. So he shows you his 3 week results, then he goes through the analytics and ad types, and then recommended niches. And the second part of the training is the ranking. So he goes through understanding how YouTube works, optimization, how to boost your rankings, adding CTR, and all of these topics here, and another case study, keyword research, and what next. This training is very comprehensive, and if you follow it as best you can, you will succeed. I'm not the best YouTuber out there, but you can see from my own results, I've got 3 fully monetized YouTube channels, making me passive income. So even if I don't upload for a while, and those videos are still relevant, they're still evergreen videos, I'm still making money from the videos. So yes, I hope you found this review useful. Don't forget, if you want my bonuses, you can only get them by buying on this page and clicking on one of these links. That link or one of the text links here. I've only got one button there for some reason. But yeah, so if you find it useful, please let me know below, give me a thumbs up, subscribe. But more importantly, sign up for this training because you will get a lot of benefit out of it, and you can also have your own fully monetized YouTube channels that you can just run on autopilot, outsource videos, or invest your time and work on it yourself. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.